shining from my room. You're such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, how about some more? Got that, got plenty, I got you. Do you say, some slow one? Got that Johnny, Al Green and Marvin Gaye too. To love you gently. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, girl, I'm a bee. I know just what you like. Love, baby, gentle with you, baby. Oh, yeah. See, I know just when to finish, and I know just when to start. And I'll be loving your reaction every time I hit that spot. But it's soft like leather, but the top is hard. Whisper your pleasures and I'll do my job. Rating intense, girl, let me do what I do. I don't know what's echoing louder, the music or you. I ain't close to being done yet. You're getting real warm, like the coming of thunder. Right after the storm, you say, girl, gonna push it to the limit. Ooh.
Usually, what is it called? XPCI vocals, like the I love the Lady Cadence.
Toro potato head.
Keep it moving, folks. Keep it moving. Fill in all available space as you make your way to
That ride is so much fun. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all should definitely try it.
I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while y'all sit in the shower, someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you it mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates, open up those gates to your heart. Wanna get your life. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you looking for peace. I see you tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about if you cheat, see you tired thinking about if you're leaving, see you tired of being so tired, you damn sure ain't getting even. Somebody can make it better, somebody can open all those gates,
For the Star Wars fanatics, here you go.
open up those gates to your heart. Wanna get your life. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
So we wait here.
Yeah, good job.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do? You can be my teacher, I'll do home. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do? Now it's me and you.
How was it?
Oh my god.
It was intense, wasn't it?
Yeah, you would not
Look at your
like it.
yeah. Look at your picture. Look at your picture.
So much chocolate, the sister's favorite food.
And it was awkward between Anna and Elsa. They didn't see each other much anymore, but they thought tonight that might change.
And then Hans came back and they danced the night away.
Hans again?
Don't you love true love?
This is not true love, they just met.
But clearly you don't know anything about true love. As a wise woman once said, love is an open door.